Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about modulo operation. Modulo operation is the operation that produces remainder. Remainder is the leftover value after dividing one value by another one value. So normally what we will do means we will divide one value. Out of that we will get two things. One is quotient and another one is remainder. For example, if we take this one as example, 7 is dividend and 2 is divisor. If we divide 7 by 2, we will get two outputs. One is quotient 3 and remainder 1. So normally what we will do means if we divide, we will get only quotient, not remainder. So from this block or this operation, what we are going to do means we are going to get remainder. So let's see like how we will get that one. To get that one, we want to implement this equation in MATLAB. Even in MATLAB, we have modulo function. So if you check, this is modulo function. If you want output, what you want to do means we want to pass two values. If you check here, b equal to mod of a comma m. So if we pass a and a comma m, a value and m value, we will get remainder. That remainder will be stored in variable b. Remainder value will be 1. Suppose if we give 7 comma 7, we'll get remainder value as 0. This is for m script. If we check same thing in Simulink, if we check same thing in Simulink, we have one block called modulo math function block. If we click that math function block, we have this many options. Here we want to select mode. So if we check, this block will do same operation, whatever the things we saw it in this script, same thing will be done in this block. So here what we are going to do means we are going to see like how can we implement same block using normal basic operation like a basic block. So here what we want to do means we want to implement this particular equation. If you check, this value is divided by dividend is divided by divisor using this divided block, then this output will be multiplied with divisor. So this product is output of this product block is subtracted with dividend block. So final output will be remainder. So now what it means here, I use a signal builder to give input. If you check in the signal builder, I use this values like time instance, dividend, divisor, and expected output. If you check, these are all the possible these are all the inputs I gave, and these are all the expected output. So to check like what input we are giving and what output we are getting, and for this I added display block. So if we check, this is mod block. From this we will get actual output, and this is our implementation. From this we will get output, and this is expected output, which is given in this Excel sheet. So now I am going to compare this. If we go step by step execution, now input is 0 and this is also 0, our output is 0. This is output of mod block, and this is our implementation expected output. So for dividend is 7 and the divisor is 3. So for that we are getting output as remainder as 1. Similarly, if you check, I am giving all the possible combinations. This is float value. So these are all the possible all possible values. 7, 3 and if both are negative means what is the remainder? If one is negative and another one is positive means what is the output? And this is positive and this is negative means what is the output? And here if you check, dividend is 7 and the divisor is 8. So if we check this value is greater than this value, then at the time what is the expected output? And here if you check for this higher value, if you give the different signs, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, negative, then what is the output? We gave all these things as input and we got expected output from this implementation. So if you check, this is implementation. Here only thing is, for this block, output should be int 32. For remaining thing, data type we don't want to change. For this one, we want to change data type as int 32. But here we want to note one thing, like if you check, here we have few negative remainders. We have one concept called negative remainder. So if you check according to that remainder value should be greater than or equal to 0, but less than that divisor value, smallest of divisor value. So if you check negative remainder or positive remainder means, normally what we are getting means, we are getting after dividing one value, we are getting remainder value. That remainder value is actually there is a difference. So that for example, if you take this case, minus 7, 2 into minus 3, minus 1. If you check right hand side and left hand side should be equal. If you check, this is like negative remainder. For same case, we can express in another one way is like this one. This is positive remainder.